Medieval Egyptian recipes often had a mixture of a type of meat or chicken alongside fruits cooked together, and they take the name of the fruit. For example, this dish is called Tofahheya, named for the apples, tofah, that are used in the dish. And when travelers coming into Egypt in the 14th century saw these sweet and savory dishes, they were quite surprised. They were not familiar with them elsewhere. It was very particular to Egypt at the time. These recipes come from many different places, from many different time periods, and they show just how diverse and rich Egyptian culinary history is.